video will walk you through adding interactions to a PlayPosit Bulb and is a continuation of the Creating a PlayPosit Bulb video. There are two ways to add interactions to a PlayPosit Bulb. You can either use a template or create your own interactions. You can access the template gallery two ways. You can either select Apply Template or select the Interactions tab and click Open Template Gallery. The template gallery lists all the templates available and provides a brief summary of the types of interactions that will be applied. Select the desired template and customize the interactions for your bulb. To add your own interactions, select Add an Interaction. Interactions can be questions such as multiple choice, fill in the blank, etc., or they can be annotations such as a pause where you can add some additional content, or a web embed where you link to a URL. For this example, I'm going to insert a pause to add some additional information about the video content. I'm going to add a free response, a check all, a multiple choice question, and another free response. I like to end the bulb with some sort of interaction to make sure the learner watches the entire bulb. I'm going to do a web embed for this bulb. Before I finish up the Interactions tab, I want to adjust the point value for each interaction. I will click on the three dots and use the slider to adjust the point value for each interaction. Now that I have added all my interactions, I want to review and adjust the settings for the bulb. We will cover this process in the next video.